Hi guys, what's up and welcome back to Hint Beauty's YouTube channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today's video we're gonna actually be going over a super fun, super easy pool or beach day makeup tutorial. So summer is officially in full swing and we're all outside a lot more. We're going to the pool, we're going to the beach, and we need a makeup look that's just gonna be easy, simple, stay on all day, control our oil, all of the above, right? So I have my bathing suit on. I'm gonna head to the pool right after this video, so I'm gonna take you guys along with me on how I get ready for a pool or a beach day. And if you're interested in checking this tutorial out, please keep watching. So first thing, I always start off with our Sun Prep Broad Spectrum SPF 25. This is such a great start to any makeup look, whether you're going to the pool, beach, or just an everyday outing. This is so important. It goes on so smooth. It never leaves a white cast. And it actually acts as a really great primer for your makeup as well. Okay, so next up, I'm going to take the DUET Perfecting Concealer and I use the shade Light. I'm going to take very little of this. It's hot out, I'm going to the pool, I'm probably going to be underwater or whatever happens at the pool, so I'm going to take a little bit of it with the Flawless Blending Sponge and I'm going to even out the complexion ever so slightly. We still want it to look like skin here. We are going to the pool, so we want our skin to show through. This is just to take down any redness that I might have and just even out the complexion. So I do like to blend this out with my Flawless Blending Sponge, but you can totally just take your ring finger and go right into the jar and use your fingers for this. Okay, so next up I'm going to take the ENCORE Fine Press Powder. I use the shade Nude Sand, and what I'm going to do is actually take our air blender brush and I am just going to take a little bit of the ENCORE Fine Press Powder and dust it all over my face because I feel like it is hot out and I feel like I need something to set my face without making it look matte or like too powdery. So this is a really great powder to add just a touch of coverage, but it's also just gonna set everything in place and lock in that DUET Perfecting Concealer. I also like to add this a little bit more in my T-zone because that's where I get oily a little bit more. So wherever you get oily or you're more prone to get a little bit more oily, you can add a little bit more of this powder in a dabbing motion. And this is gonna make sure that it sets and actually keeps oil at bay throughout the day. So if it's not your T-zone, if it's the cheeks, if it's your chin, wherever you get most oily, you can add a little bit more and dab, 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 and it'll really stay put all day. So our skin is still looking like skin and it's gonna be perfect for a beach pool day. Next up, I'm gonna go for the SOLARE Bronzing Powder, and this is perfect for a beach day because it's gonna give you that beachy bronze look and it's just gonna give your skin such a healthy glow. So with the same brush, the air blender brush, I'm just gonna tap in and grab a little bit and I'm just gonna add it around my forehead just to give me a little bit more warmth to the face. And the air blender brush just places it so beautifully. It never looks streaky, it always looks natural. You never really have to blend it out because it's already blending itself, hence the name Air Blender Brush. I love this brush, it's so good. Okay, so my forehead has a little bit of a bronzy glow to it. We're gonna grab a little bit more. I'm gonna go right on the cheekbones, on top of the cheeks, and my jawline. On my neck. I like to add a little bit to my nose as well. And because we use this SPF as well as a primer, I feel like my skin already has a really pretty glow to it. I don't even need a highlighter. I'm already glowing for the pool day, so I love this stuff because I feel like it gives your skin such a flawless base to start with before you put on any makeup. Okay, so whatever's left on the cap for my bronzer that I just used, I'm gonna grab the shadow blender brush and I'm gonna swirl it around and take whatever's left over and I'm just gonna contour my eye area a little bit. This is gonna be like a natural shadow. Okay, so next up, I'm gonna grab our Stella Loose eyeshadow powder in the shade Honey Gold, and I love a little pop of something, even if it's a natural, everyday, pool, beach day. I'm gonna grab the smallest amount, and I'm gonna use our Smudger Brush, which is super tiny, and I'm just gonna take a little bit of that color, and I'm just gonna do just a tiny amount on the lid, just to give me a little pop of something fun. Alright, so next up I'm going to grab the Forte High Definition Eyeliner in shade Black, and I'm just going to do right underneath, and we're going to tight line right underneath, again ever so slightly underneath our lashes, just to give us a little bit of a definition to the eye. I like to focus on a little bit more towards the outer ends of my eye. And this gives me like that no makeup definition. Like, it doesn't even look like I have eyeliner on. It just looks like my eyes are almost a little bit more awake, if that makes sense. Okay, so next up I'm gonna grab the Eyebrow Definer. I use the shade Taupe. I like to do a very natural brow with this look. I don't have a lot of brow going on, so we're just gonna stick with the theme and consistency. With the rest of our look, we did more natural. My freckles are showing through, my skin is showing through, so we're gonna do the same for the brows. So first up, I'm just gonna brush them in an upward motion, and then I'm gonna take the brush, and then I'm gonna go along the top, and then I'm gonna pull it. So this way they're still brushed up, but now they're shaped. And then I'm gonna take the brush end of it, and I'm just gonna dip in just a little bit. This is a cream to powder, so it's really nice to dry down and last throughout the day. Whatever you're doing, especially a beach and a pool day, it'll stay put all day. You don't have to worry about this. So next, I'm just gonna do an upward motion. I'm just gonna add some hair-like strokes in where I don't have a lot of hair. So I'm not gonna give myself a full-blown shape. I'm just gonna go along with what I already have, and I'm just gonna add some color in those sparse areas. See how it's already looking a little bit more polished, but still natural. All right, so next up we're gonna use something super exciting, brand new, that you guys haven't seen on this channel yet, and that is called the FLYRT Mascara. This mascara is so amazing, you guys. I love it. I know you guys are gonna love it too. It has the sustainable glass packaging to it, which is great for the environment. It also has lengthening plant-based fibers in there. It's volumizing, it's lengthening, and it also has a lash serum in there, which you get results within just 15 days. So I'm honestly obsessed with it. So it comes in shades Jet Black and Chocolate Brown, and today for the pool day look, I'm gonna be going for the shade Jet Black, and I'm just gonna add a little bit starting at the edges of my lashes. So I'm only doing one coat. I want to stick with the consistency of very natural. It's going to be a pool day, beach day makeup. So just like everything else, we're only just coating the lashes once. All right, so this is actually just one coat of mascara on my lashes. And if you guys knew me, you would know that I have such small baby lashes. So this mascara is such a game changer. I love how it separates and lengthened my lashes with just one coat. So to finish off our look today, we're gonna grab the ARIA Pure lipsticks. I grabbed the shade Pinkbelle, and of course you wanna prep your lips with the lip conditioner first. I already did that, so we're gonna go ahead and apply just a touch to add a little color, like very, very little. Just to add a little color to the lips, have them be like a healthy, pretty shade. All right, and this is the final look, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. This look was super simple, easy, and quick to create, so I really hope that you guys give it a try. I'm gonna head to the pool. You guys definitely should too. If you guys give this look a try, drop me a comment. I'd love to hear it, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.